Be thou my vision, O Lord of my heart. Lord, be all else to me, save that thou art. Thou my best Lord, by day or by night, waking or sleeping, thy presence my life. Be thou my wisdom, thou my true word. I ever with thee, thou with me, Lord. Thou my great Father, and I thy true Son. Thou in me dwelling, and I with thee one. Be thou my battle shield, sword for the fight. Be thou my dignity, thou my delight. Thou my soul shelter, thou my high tower. Raise thou me heavenward, O power of my heart. Riches I heap not, nor man's empty praise. Now my inheritance, now and always. Thou and thou only, first in my heart. My King of heaven, my treasure thou High King of heaven, after victory won, may I reach heaven's joys, so bright and sun. Heart of my own heart, whatever before, still be my vision, O ruler of all.
Be thou my vision, O Lord of my heart.
Be thou my vision, O Lord of my heart. Lord, be all else to me, save